Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to change birthday on Snapchat. If you accidentally set the wrong birthday on Snapchat or simply want to update it, here's how you can quickly change it. First, open the Snapchat app on your phone. Then here, tap your profile icon top left corner. Then here, tap the gear icon to open the settings. Then here, scroll down and select birthday. And here enter your correct birthday date, and then after done, tap OK or save to confirm. You need to be careful when editing your birthday because Snapchat only allows a limited number of changes. So make sure that the date you enter is correct. And that's it. You've successfully changed your birthday on Snapchat. Now your friends can see the right date when your special day arrives. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.